I want to be a counsellor, mine is set on that, and I'd like to eventually have my own practice, just to be able to help other people, to enable them to make changes in their lives and help them solve their own problems. In the counselling part of it, we've learnt how to counsel people in different various ways. We do skills sessions, which is great, where we learn counselling techniques, how to speak to people properly, how to listen properly. During my second year, I'll be doing a placement at hopefully a local drugs and alcohol centre here in Scarborough. There are a lot of placements that take on students too in their second years. For me, it works out better to learn a module every term, and then it's ticked off, it's done. I don't have to worry about that module, and I've got the points that I need from that part of that, that course, so it's great to learn that way. We're like a little family in there. We all get to know each other on a real personal level, and it really does help to have that there, because not only do the tutors support you, your friends support you as well. Living in Scarborough is great all year round, not just in the summer. There's plenty of places to go, things to do. You've got plenty of pubs, you've got plenty of shops, the nightlife's great. Then you've also got the nature side of it as well. You've got the beach. I use the beach quite a lot, especially if I feel a bit overwhelmed with things. It just gives me that bit of mind space, and I always feel a lot better when I've been down there. I didn't think that I had the capability to come to university. I thought university was going to be really, really hard, and it isn't. It's for anyone. It's for absolutely anyone of any age.